Hi, Paulina Medeiros here from East Providence, Rhode Island. My topic today is attracting your potential mate. Well, one thing you don't want to do when you want to attract a mate is act needy and desperate and eager. Don't let the person think that it's their job to fill you up because you're empty, your life is so boring, there's nothing going on, you don't have much of a social life. That's a put off to a lot of people. That's happened to me on a few occasions and I was put off. I didn't think that was fair to me, that I'm the only resource of fulfillment, happiness, joy. I like somebody who has this stuff together, who has their own life, who has interests, of course makes time for me as well, but not somebody who is just an empty vessel, an empty pitcher waiting to be filled. That's exhausting and draining to the other person. And do you think it's fair? I don't think it's fair. I don't want somebody like that, and I don't want to put that kind of burden on anyone else. That's why I try to fulfill my life as much as possible, make myself as happy as possible, because I want to attract somebody who is together and whole like me, and therefore we'll have so much more to offer one another. So if you're thinking that finding your true love is going to be the answer to all your problems and you're never going to be lonely or unhappy again, no, you're mistaken. You need to learn how to like yourself and how to get along with yourself alone. How to be okay by yourself. How to be okay single. That is the way to have a healthy relationship. Then when you're together, you are sharing yourselves instead of taking from one another. And that's when conflicts happen and exhaustion happens and a lot of problems can come upon the relationship. So be whole, fill yourself up, try to make yourself as happy as possible on your own without depending on other people. Don't be a sponge, and do not act needy, clingy, and desperate. That is not appealing behavior. People want somebody to be around who is able to be self-sufficient, take care of themselves, and be happy on their own. It's just so much more appealing. I hope this has helped. It's just a few ideas and pointers, and it's also life experience and things that I've heard, and I've asked a lot of questions from men and women, what they like and don't like. And definitely neediness, desperate and eager is not a turn on. So keep that in mind when you're trying to meet somebody else, and meanwhile fill yourself up as much as possible. Make yourself as happy as possible without looking for somebody else. When the time comes, you will find that right person, but you need to be whole. Thank you for watching. I'm so glad to see you. And till next time, take care. Be well.